Hey, what's happening? Cory here. All right, I'm in my radio studio right now. You can kind of see the crazy, wacky rock and roll stuff and Legos and toys and everything else. I forget how crowded my walls are when I'm down here at the radio station. So, all right, I had a friend ask me about what I'm doing, and they kind of know I'm doing the live good thing, okay? Because I got another job that I do. I produce radio shows for Pure Rock Radio, but I am so addicted to live good. I love this company. I love their products. I got involved with the company first through their products, and then the affiliate side, which I hope that you would like to be a part of as well. This is just what's one product. This is CBD, and I know it's backwards right now because I'm in selfie mode, but CBD oil, it's been around for years. It is selling billions a year, and right now LiveGood has a kick-ass product of CBD oil. It's fresh in Florida. This is the 750 milligram dose of CBD oil, okay? It is only $18 if you're a member. If you're a member, $10 a month or $100 for the year, you can buy this all day long, as many bottles as you'd like to retail or just sell to your friends, or use it appropriately for aches, pains. I do so much video holding my phone. You see my shoulder? Holy gosh, I need a new one. And I'm born in the 60s. I'm going to drop my phone here. CBD oil, it makes you feel better, clarity, sometimes pain management. They even have CBD oil for dogs, which is awesome. It's chicken flavor, which I think is cool. But anyway, I just want to show you how easy CBD oil is to use. You just drop it underneath your tongue. So I'm going to flip my phone around, and hopefully you guys can see the thing. Okay, so here, you guys look at Molly Ringwald and the dolls from 16 Candles. Okay, you can see it's just CBD oil. Okay, now squeeze the top. It's just like taking water out. Okay, if you look at the glass tube, do you see that? That's about 1.5 inches. There's a line right there. And if you squeeze the little nipple thing all the way, it fills it up perfectly. But right there, that is the perfect amount to put under your tongue. Okay, so I'm going to carefully... Okay, am I going to drop? Okay, can you see it? Yeah, I think you can. I'm squinting because I'm looking in a light. So what you do is you go, yes. Okay, now... what the bottle says is to let it kind of just absorb. Keep it under your tongue as long as you can, like up to 30 seconds or 60 seconds. And since I'm talking, it's already almost gone. I can still. There's natural flavor, which kind of tastes like a water, butter, there's really no taste. And then there's a peppermint flavor. So it's up to you if you've done CBD oil before. But I just got normal flavor, like water. That's all I need. I don't need taste. So I put it under my tongue. This is the 750 milligram. The 1500 is the big enchilada. And it's up to you what dosage you'd like to do. You just put that drop underneath your tongue, let it absorb, read about CBD oil, how's the best way to take it. Our company on our website, they have advice. And that's it. But boy, I'll tell you, for $18 for 750, and I'm not kidding you. I am not hyping. I do not like MLM. I am not a retail store. I love rock and roll and building Legos and hanging them on my wall. Now that my friends know that I get CBD oil, the 750 for only $18, guess who's knocking on my door every day buying it? And I have 1500 milligram for only $26. This stuff's $75 to $100 in a store that sells it. This is awesome product. This is not leftover crap at a swap meet and bought 2 years later because it's stale. This is freshly made, distributed from Florida. It is extremely high-powered, kick-ass CBD oil. And if you want it, just be a member. Pay 18 or $26. It's up to you. And if you want to make some money with LiveGood, which I hope you do, because I really am having a great time with this company. I'd like to show you what I do, and the great leaders too. The group I'm in, boy, they're kicking ass. There's platinums and diamonds already, which means that they have thousands and thousands of people already in their so-called matrix. I like to call it the old hotel. But anyway, enough about that. I just wanted to show you guys just what the LiveGood CBD oil looks like and how you put it underneath your tongue. And my arm, I think it's going to feel pretty good here in about 10 minutes. So, okay, thank you for watching my videos. And I'll see you next time, okay? All right. Goodbye.